Zion, Animal World. The most beautiful birds in world. Nicobar Pigeon. The Nicobar Pigeon may be found throughout India's Andaman and Nicobar Islands, as well as the Malay Archipelago. Golden Pheasant. The mountains of western China are home to golden pheasant. Scarlet Macaw. They are native to the tropical evergreen woods of Central and South America. Flamingo. There are 4 flamingo species distributed throughout the Americas, including the Caribbean, and this species native to Eurasia. Red-necked Tanager. It is found in Brazil, Argentina, and Paraguay. Bluebird of Paradise. Bluebird of Paradise live in Papua New Guinea. Blue jay. Cyanocida cristata is the Latin name for the blue jay, which is native to North America. Mandarin Duck. The Mandarin Duck, found only in China's far eastern provinces and Russia, is a sight to behold. Peacock. Peacock is the term given to the male member of the peafowl family that goes by that name. Peafowls come in 3 varieties: Indian, Congo, and green. Blue crowned pigeon. The blue crowned pigeon has huge blue crests on its head and deep blue feathers surrounding its eyes. Red Crested Turaco. They may be found in sub-Saharan Africa's savannas, woods, and forests. Horned Sungem. This unusual-looking bird may be found in the South American rainforest. Snowy owl. The snowy owl may be recognizable to anyone who has seen the Harry Potter films. In both North America and Eurasia, they're considered a native. Keel-Billed Toucan. Because of its rainbow-colored bill, the Keel-Billed Toucan is sometimes called the Rainbow-Billed Toucan. Atlantic Puffin. Small and well-adapted, the Atlantic Puffin may be found in the northern U.S. and eastern Canadian coasts. Blue or Azure Kingfisher. Blue kingfishers are excellent fish hunters, both from the bank and above the surface of the water. Painted Bunting. Southern North America is home to painted buntings, whose Latin name is Passerina cirrus. Gouldian Finch. Because of the variety of colors on its plumage, the bird is also known as the rainbow finch. Bohemian Waxwing. It has a brownish-gray hue, and its wings are edged with white and yellow. Wood duck. They feature beautiful white stripes around the neck that make them stand out. The patterns on their wings are blue and black. Paradise tanager. This tiny South American bird, found in Amazonian tropical woods, with an apple-green head, yellow or red rump, and a blue belly. Hyacinth Macaw. People all around the world have hyacinth macaws as pets since they may be found in eastern and central South America under the Latin name Anodorhynchus hyacinthus. Rainbow Lorikeet. The rainbow lorikeet, a colorful bird, is found only in Australia. These colorful parrots may be seen in Australia. Purple Gallinule. The purple Gallinule is regarded as one of nature's most stunning creatures due to its stunning array of colors on its feathers.